Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. If you have not subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how to trim your hair or cut your hair, which is what I did because my ends were really dry. So I just ended up cutting more than what I originally wanted to, but you can follow the same method if you just want a little trim. You're going to need a pair of scissors for cutting hair. I got mine at CVS or Walmart, so if you want to get the same ones that I have, then I'll go ahead and try to find them on Amazon and see if I can put a link to it. The next thing you will need is a comb or a brush. My hair is thin, so I usually use just a comb, but it's your preference. You can use whatever you want. And then the next step is to, let me turn around for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. The next step would be to go ahead and pull your hair into a lower ponytail like so. Once you have that, then make sure your hair tie is secure enough so it can be tight on your hair, but also for you to be able to slide it down. You're gonna start by sliding down the hair tie. Make sure that you're trying to do it straight just so your hair won't come out crooked when you're cutting it. You can have a straight line. Turn your hair around just like this. Cut out your desired length. Make sure you cut straight in a straight line. And that's pretty much it.
Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on our next video.